I'm kind of disappointed. I'm not gonna lie. So today, you guys, we're gonna be doing a unboxing of some travel items that I got from Amazon. I think I'm gonna start with, so here we have a collapsible. First, we have the collapsible water bottle. So normally I travel with my water bottle. My favorite water bottle, reusable one, is this right here. So I just got this from Walmart, like $9. And nothing's wrong with that water bottle. I love it. It's my favorite. But sometimes like it does get in the way. Like as you can see, it's like really like heavy, and like I have to carry this around all the time. So I've been hearing about this where it's like really small. So I got this like I said, off Amazon. This is by Semator. Is that what my notes say? That's what my notes say. Semator. And I got this for $14.98. But like there's different companies on Amazon that you can buy this from, and like I've seen it for $12. I think the cheapest I saw it was for like $9.99. So you can get this for like $10. And I just out this. Oh, look how small this is. I don't think I did this right. It doesn't like come with instructions or anything, so I'm gonna just go for it. Okay. Well, it's supposed to look like this, but I don't think I did this right. But like, okay, so again, this is supposed to be oh, hey, I think I got it. So this is supposed to be a 16.9 ounce bottle. It has a portable hook, so I can like clip this onto my purse or my backpack. I'm gonna fix this. Huh. So in order to, I had to open this. I had to open this to let air in, and oh, there goes. So it's supposed to be able to withstand -40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know how much that is in Celsius, but basically what that means is it's gonna keep your hot drinks hot and your cold drinks cold. And it says, okay, so it also says it's like inside measure. It has inside measuring. I don't know what that means. I can't see inside of it. And guess what? You just fill up your water, and after you're done with this, you can just close it. It's like you never like those like what those called accordion things. That's what it's like. I think I'm really gonna like this. It says it's leak proof. I'm gonna test that out right now. I just have some water here. I'm gonna pour it in here. That was like 8 ounces, so like, you know, like I can like feel it, and it's like still like pretty lightweight. This like silicone is like really soft. I'm just gonna close this. And I have it like shut tight, and we're gonna see if it I don't know, can you hear the water? I don't know if you can hear the water, but it's the full cup that I just poured is in here, and it's not coming out. Like, it's really leak proof. So I'm really glad I bought this, because I was kind of upset that I had to spend $15 when I saw it for $9 afterwards. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the next item. So this is the Go Alpha. It's the Go Alpha Garnet Steamer by Lemon Tech. And I got this off Amazon for $9.99. So hopefully it's worth it because I got this for under $10. You know, a lot of pan steamers can cost you up to $30, $40. This is 70-second preparation time. So it takes 70 seconds for the water to heat up. And it has 180 milliliters in the water tank. You fill up and it takes 9 minutes to, you can use it for up to 9 minutes. Another thing that this thing is supposed to have, it's supposed to have an automatic shut off. So that means whenever it gets too hot, it's going to shut off. Or whenever it says whenever the water line is low, it shuts off. So I think that's like really good to have because I know sometimes I'm forgetful and I will forget that I have this on. So let's go ahead and open it. Instructions. Alright, so I got mine in black and it comes with 2 parts. This is the bottom half. And I don't know, it looks really big on camera, but it's like the size of my face. Here's the top part. Alright. So, you know, I can easily like put this into my luggage like in 2 separate parts. It's small enough, so. Alright, then it has a power cord where you just plug this in. I'm about to test out and see if this like actually heats up in like 60 seconds. And start the timer now. So I don't know if you can hear boiling, but I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off or whatever because I don't want it to but it took a little bit over 60 seconds. Took about 70 seconds, but the website says 60, the box says 70, so it's a little bit closer to 70 seconds. I like the size of this. I like that it's so small, but I did not know that it was going to have a power outlet. Just took that out. I didn't know it was going to have a power outlet because if you look on the website and if you look on the box, it doesn't have that. I really did think that it was going to have batteries, but I should know better because it didn't say that in the description. So I'm kind of disappointed about that. But you know, I do like the size of this, and it heated up pretty fast. I'm gonna go to the next thing, which is what I'm really excited about because I've been wanting to get this for like ever. It's like everyone's talking about it. Like people are like, oh, it's so like it's like life changing and whatever. So I'm gonna see for myself. It is the packing cube. Y'all, so I was about to rip open this bag. I didn't know that I definitely was about to rip open this bag. But I'm glad that has it, but I can reuse this. I can use this bag for something else. So it's packing cubes. It's supposed to be 3 packing cubes and 3 pouches. And this is by Prairie. But I got this for $9.99. It's supposed to come with a large, small, and medium pouch and a large, small, and medium packing cube. I've never used packing cubes before, and like this is like one of the really big trends right now is to use packing cubes to help save space in your luggage. I'm holding it right now and it kind of feels a little bit flimsy. I don't know if like all packing cubes feel like that, but like it does kind of feel a little bit flimsy. But I mean, I got it for $9.99, so you know, you get what you pay for. But I do like that this packing cube, it like opens up all of the way around like a clamshell. And I like the mesh part on it, so that way like, whenever I put my clothes in here, I'll be able to see what's in here. So this large pack is 16.5 by 12.2 by 5.5 inches. You know, this is like this is really big. I can probably fit all my shirts in here and my night clothes in here. Another thing to know that these are not compression cubes. These are just regular packing cubes. I did not buy compression cubes because compression cubes are supposed to, you know, compress as you put them into the bag. But these are just like more so for organization. Okay, so here is the medium. Medium is 12.6 by 11.8 by 5.5 inches. So I would probably use this for like undergarments or something. I'm probably gonna I can probably like fit like my pants, or like most of I can probably fit my pants and like tights and stuff in here. I like that it does have a handle, so like when I put it in there, I can just like pull it out my luggage. So this is the small one. Small one, and I would probably put like all of my hygienic stuff in here, like my lotion, body wash. Probably put all I would probably put like feminine stuff in here or something. I don't know, because I don't really travel with a lot of stuff anyway, as it is. So I don't really have a problem with saving space, but I have a problem with organization. I'm a horrible organizer. I am. So hopefully this will help me with that. It's large. So these are supposed to be for laundry pouches. It kind of bothers me that this is, okay, so like this is the zipper up here. This is the zipper. And I don't know if you can tell it's at the top, and this is upside down. I don't know if that was like on purpose or if they like had a misprint, but I don't know why that's bothering me, but it is. I feel like it should be the other way, but you know, it's their item, not mine. But the large pouch is 13.8 by 10.8 inches. Now the pouches don't feel as flimsy as the cubes do. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe I was expecting the cubes to be a little bit more sturdy than they are, but you know, as long as it fits my clothes and it holds up, it was $10, so I'm okay. But you know, I do like, for some reason, this is thicker than the cubes. So this is the medium pouch, and the stuff is upside down again. Like, I need to fix that. It's bothering me. But the medium pouch is 11 inches by 10 inches. Okay. Small pouch. Smaller. I probably will put my makeup or something in here. It's a good size for like makeup and stuff. And this is 10.2 by 6.5 inches. And they have an extra bag in here. So I'm surprised because it's only supposed to be 6 items, so it is 7. So I don't know why, like all of these pouches like are, the material is way thicker than the cubes. Like the cubes, it feels like, okay, like Like this feels like really flimsy. It feels like really flimsy. Like I can like easily rip this, but like this is like really thick, and also the pouches were as well. I don't know, maybe that's for this to be easier to like maneuver in your bag or whatever, but I hope this doesn't rip. Again, like I keep saying, I paid $10 for it. Get what you pay for. So, but like I really like the pouches and the bag because the material is thick. So, let's see, I'll probably use this for like my shoes or something. I'm kind of disappointed. I'm not gonna lie, because like I really wanted to like really like love these cues, but I don't. I don't know, but I think my favorite item is going to be that water bottle. That water bottle was really nice. It was really nice. It's my favorite thing that I took out the box. If you like this video, like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. You know, whatever. Leave some comments below telling me what I can do better. Some things you'd like to see on this channel. And I have a question for you guys. So my question for you is, what is your favorite travel item that you have bought so far? So whatever that is, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video.